Hey there, guys. It's Live with Leo, and today I brought a special guest in order for us to talk about assemblies, how they affect our day in school and schedule in school, and who the assemblies bring to our school. So here is Kanav.
Hey guys.
Okay, so Kanav, we're going to be talking about school assemblies.
Yep.
So, do you want to tell them who comes to our school assemblies?
Yeah, so who comes are like inmates from prison to talk about what happens if you go to jail. And they explain how it ruins your lives if you just do one big bad. And we also have nurses coming to teach us about CPR and the safety of some stuff that God forbid happens in the school. Like a kid has like some heart problems and they need like help. So
They
come
also
and
have
teach us.
brought a wrestler because now he's in charge of an antidepressant thing where
he's
he
teaching
talks to kids. What else?
So we had the same nurses come back to tell us about how we should not vape.
That is true. We do a lot of vaping. Don't do vape.
Yeah, frick vape. Juul is not cool.
Correct. How does the assemblies affect our day-to-day lives? Like, how does it affect our schedule?
Maybe like, not sure.
All our classes are shorter.
Yeah.
They're changed in times because we'll either have a morning assembly or an afternoon assembly. The assembly
We
takes,
go home learning a new thing.
That is true. And probably the assemblies usually take like an hour and a half, 2 hours out of our day. But all our classes, we still have our normal classes, it's just shortened.
Yeah.
And
I mean,
that's pretty
something's better than nothing.
Exactly. And that's pretty much how we do with assemblies at this school. See you guys.
See ya.